Hello everyone, welcome to the tenorshare channel. Have you just got a new iPhone, or is the storage on your old iPhone running out? In either case, backing up and restoring data is very important. Today, I will demonstrate how to transfer data directly without resetting your phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Restore data using iCloud. You can back up and restore data via iCloud. First, go to the settings on your old iPhone. Enable iCloud Backup in your Apple ID, and then tap Backup Now to ensure a complete backup. Then, on your new iPhone, go to Settings, find General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Erase All Content to clear the data. During the reset and activation process on the new phone, choose to restore from iCloud. Enter your Apple ID and wait for the restoration to complete. After a few minutes, the data will be fully restored to the new phone, identical to that on your old phone. However, please remember that iCloud's free storage is limited. If your data exceeds this limit, consider using the second method. Method 2. Restore data by iTunes. To back up and restore using iTunes, follow these steps. If you need to back up or restore a large number of files, connect your old iPhone to the computer, open iTunes, and then click the device icon in the top left corner. Next, click Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. After disconnecting the old iPhone, connect the reset new iPhone, and during the activation process, choose to restore data from the computer. If the computer doesn't recognize the new phone, reconnect the data cable, and iTunes will recognize your device and offer the options to restore a backup or set up the new iPhone. Click Continue. Wait patiently, and once complete, your data will be fully transferred to the new phone. If you only want to restore specific data without resetting the phone, consider using the third method. Method 3. Restore data through iCareFone. iCareFone is a tool specifically designed for managing and transferring iPhone data. This method allows selective data recovery without resetting and offers a unique feature to view backup data directly on your computer. You can find the download link for iCareFone in the video's description section. First, connect your old iPhone to the computer, launch iCareFone, and then select the backup and restore function on the left. Choose Backup Now, select the data you wish to back up, confirm the backup, and wait for the process to complete. After the backup is finished, connect your new iPhone to the computer, open iCareFone, and select the backup and restore function again. Here, you can choose the backup file from which to restore. Once selected, click Restore to Devices and wait for the restoration process to complete. Your new iPhone will now have the desired data restored without overwriting the original data on your phone. That's it. This video shows you how to back up and restore your iPhone. We hope these methods are helpful to you. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on iPhone management. See you in the next video.